All right, let's get a look at that 10 weather impact forecast with Chief Meteorologist Jerry Martz. Jerry, it was really hot out there today, but it sounds like we're getting ready to trade that for something else.
Yeah, indeed. A bit of a breeze today. That was a welcome change from the kind of this stifling heat we've had for the past couple of days. But for the most part, your plans, weather was not negative impact. As long as you hydrated and kind of sought the shade, you're okay. But you're right. We're going to exchange a few degrees for the chances of some showers and storms.
Yeah.
Not just for one day, but pretty much every day that ends in Y. And that's every day this week. Let's take a look at the headlines for you getting into your Sunday evening and the rest of this work week. Temperatures are going to be holding right around normal, just a bit above. That's mid to upper 80s. There will be times without rain, but unsettled weather all week, meaning that mainly the afternoon showers and thunderstorm chances, typical early to mid-July forecast. We'll break it down for you with a little more specificity over the next couple of minutes. Downtown right now in the distance, there's a couple of building clouds. And when I came into work this afternoon, there was one lone shower that literally was the eastern side of Franklin County, right around the airport. That has moved on through. We're kind of left with that steamy tropical air in place, and that's causing temperatures to bounce back, or allowing temperatures to bounce back. 88 degrees, but with that humidity, feels like 94. So the heat index, a little bit of an issue, but we're also seeing that breeze at about 10 miles an hour, maybe a little higher at times, helping to cool us off a little bit. So again, hit the shade, the AC, the fans, and just kind of relax and kind of get through this last Sunday for a long holiday weekend and get ready for the week ahead. Next 12 hours shows that temperatures dropping, as you would expect, down from around 90 back into the 80s and 70s. By tomorrow morning, pretty much low to mid 70s everywhere in central Ohio, and we're going to start off the day dry. As you also would imagine, tomorrow, flipping that around, starting off so warm in the mid 70s, a quick bounce back into the mid to upper 80s, but we're going to see one, if not two, chances of showers. The second one in the afternoon being the most likely for everybody to see rain. And I would say, not argue, but just suggest that we might be looking for the chance of some showers and needed rain in the second half of the day tomorrow, after many of us going 4 or 5 days without. You'll notice again 83, 84, and then dropping back down again tomorrow evening. So let's track that with some updated model information starting tomorrow at 10 o'clock, because before 10 o'clock, not much going on, meaning we're dry, we're muggy, we're sunny, and with just a bit of a breeze. 10 o'clock till about noon, there's a first chance of a shower. This one just east of Columbus, right around Newark, and just southeast of Mount Vernon, headed over toward Coshocton. That's 12 o'clock. So we're going to walk through the afternoon, stopping at 3 o'clock. This time, eastern parts of Fairfield County, Perry County, and then toward Zanesville, and then back to Circleville and Washington Courthouse. By 5 o'clock, that area begins to move southeast, but another one forms, again, around London, around Franklin County, around Delaware, and again, for the second time in a few hours, around Newark, and again, around Coshocton. And then by the time we get to 7 o'clock, a little more robust thunderstorm looking likely north of Columbus over toward the airport, western Licking County, Delaware County, and just north of Newark toward Mount Vernon. That's 7 o'clock. As today, 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock, we lose the heat of the day, lose that energy. That activity will subside. But the reason I showed you those showers and storms going over the same spot, because heavy rain, the most likely threat from these storms in areas that might get too much rain, might see some localized flooding. Very localized, but not out of the question. The other thing we're focusing on this week and then beyond, temperatures staying at well or above normal, above or well above normal. That means 85 to 90 degrees in the wheelhouse through at least the middle of the month. 10 weather impact, 7-day forecast. Monday, scattered showers and thunderstorms noon through about 8 o'clock. Tuesday, we've got Diamond Dog Night for the Clippers. Any shower or thunderstorms should be afternoon and southeast of I-71. Pop-ups Wednesday and Thursday and Friday, Saturday, Sunday. But again, it's not going to rain all the time. Just be ready for those late day showers and storms.